I believe we're time for the headliner, which is going to be super exciting. Never done this before. Put the headliner back in, so let's try it.
Wow. Wow.
Alrighty guys, we got this thing pushed out here, and there's some stains on the headliner that we're going to try to fix. Today we got some Rug Doctor cleaner, soap and stuff like that, so we're going to try ahead and clean all the stains and stuff off this headliner, so let's get to it. Alright guys, we just got this thing totally cleaned out. I'll show you the interior soon. It looks absolutely amazing. The truck's going to be here soon to take this thing away, but we're going to go for a quick test ride on this thing to make sure everything still works and have some fun, so let's go get riding. Alrighty guys, check this out. We got the entire headliner completely installed. We got all the creases out of it, and we got a ton of like coffee stains, stuff like that on this center hood here and all the sides and everything. Completely cleaned all that out and vacuumed out the entire Hummer as well. So this thing is pretty much done at our place. and is ready to be taken into storage. As you can see, the roof is really, really hard. I mean, like, it's harder than it was originally, probably. That foam is one of these amazing things, and this whole thing is shiny red. Soon to be a different color, but it is red for now. Got a camera set up right here so we can record the action as it goes down the highway. Let's see here. So we're gonna have another camera looking in the back window here, looking like this, so we can see what's happening going front ways as well. You might be asking yourselves, why are you putting something on the truck and taking it when you could just drove the thing around? Well, to put insurance on this thing would cost a lot just to drive it a couple miles, and the owner's not planning on driving this thing for quite a while until we get, Bondo and sand it and wrap it and everything. So it was cheaper just to call a tow truck and just have it take it to 10 miles instead of getting insurance and all that stuff. So we'll wait for the tow truck to arrive, and then I'll see you guys again, and we'll take this thing away. Okay. It's gone. Alright guys, you saw the Hummer just left. We had like 6 different cameras going, a couple in the Hummer itself. So that'll be fun to review. As of right now, I don't know what that footage looks like. I'll be to the end of the week before I get to go see that footage. I think it'll be pretty good. We know it made it there to the shop where we're putting it in for storage right now. And yeah, so basically you might be wondering, Mark, why did you call a tow truck when it was driving and you drove it around? Well, that's because it costs money to put insurance on the thing. And it was from California and moving to Michigan. So moving it from California to Michigan costs a lot more than just renewing the insurance. So it was a lot cheaper, and since they're not going to be driving it for another couple months, it was much cheaper just to pay the $70 or whatever it was to tow it up to the building, rather than pay a couple hundred for insurance and drive it there and have it expire again because we're not going to be driving it for a couple months. So that's kind of why that happens. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed all that footage. Hopefully we get it all. And the cameras, I think, survived the whole trip up there. One was on the outside, one was on the inside. So that'll be pretty fun. We had a drone flying. Apologizing for the wavy video. It was insanely windy outside, and well, my drone doesn't handle that super well. Going into the wind, flying super fast, trying to keep up with the tow truck. It was just super shaky. I'm super sorry about that, but we got the shot. So anyway, thanks for watching Atomic Technology. Be sure to subscribe and like this video. We got tons of projects coming up, and I will see you next time.